you're working on your own and you've got that feeling where you're not sure, just if you ever had that feeling where you're really into it, then just always go back to that.
The course is a detailed recreation, rebuild of our track Truth and Love on Viva Limited.
You'll be able to take some things from that, tips, tricks, that will help improve or enhance your own productions and get them ready for the environments where they're going to be played, get them to DJs and get them played.
I think what's cool about FaderPro is you can absorb the online courses and you can study and use that inspiration to hone the craft, like take other people's tracks, really dissect them, really figure out what's going on, be inspired by it and rebuild those tracks, recreate those tracks, try and identify what drum sounds are being used, identify what drum sounds you like. And once you've kind of got that framework and you've built up that confidence of being able to know what is happening in terms of like some basic masters, then you can start really getting creative and really imparting your own ideas. And once you've got that bit of extra confidence, which hopefully you'll get from these courses. Do you, as cheesy as that sounds.
Yeah, no, it's true though, you know. It's best to...
Because, yeah, there isn't another you, man.